Hey guys, DSP Fishing on my video. In this video, we're catching, cooking, and eating crow. Let's get started. Alright guys, we got our full camo on right now. We're going to get our electronic caller, which are legal for crows, and we're going to see if we can call some in. I've seen some here a couple times, but I don't know with all the racket they're making up there with the construction work if we're going to be able to call them in or not. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I hear some crows over there. We're going to set the caller here. I'm going to step back probably 15 yards or so. We're going to turn them on right now. I have it on Crow Frenzy. We're going to head back probably 15 yards, see if we can call crow in. Stay tuned. Boom guys, first crow. See that guy right there? There we go guys, first crow. Beautiful crow. Got him right there in the wing. And then I went over and picked him up and finished him off. We're gonna try to eat this guy right now. So unfortunately my main camera had died, so I'm just using my phone right now. He came in behind me over here, swooped down, came down over here. Pretty good shot. I have full choke though, so I can make those longer shots. But knocked him down, and then went over there, ran him down, and finished him off. So we're gonna try to do a catch and cook for crow. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I wanted to go over the game caller that I'm using. It is a Western Rivers Mantis game caller. Here is the receiver, and there's the actual call. I can put, the beauty about this is I was all the way over there, and I can turn on and change the call from this distance away, so I could change the pitch and everything of the call that I want in the volume. And I've been calling in crows all day, but I haven't been able to get a close enough shot till right now. But we got this guy, and we're gonna see if we can cook him up. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, we made it back to the kitchen now. We have our crow meat right here. I set it over one night in salt water. That helps to drain all the blood and reduce the gaminess taste in the meat. The next night I set it into this marinade. It's made of Worcestershire, whatever you want to call it. soy sauce, and then some olive oil, and then some garlic powder, and a few other spices that I mixed in there that you'll hopefully see right here on the side of the screen. And I let that sit a night, and now the meat has become very tender and soft. The other ingredients that we have here are some turkey bacon that we're going to wrap up one of the two pieces of breast meat that we have off of here, and then some cream cheese. This is going to make into a little popper made out of the bacon, and the other one we're just going to eat straight crow meat and see how it tastes. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Alright guys, if you can see right here, we have our two pieces of crow meat. You can see this side is the side that was exposed, and this side wasn't. Looks like a very red meat. We're going to start out with our crow popper, and then we're going to cook the other one. I think this one's going to go in the skillet, and this one's going to be in our popper. So let's get that right now. Alright guys, we have our two pieces of bacon and our cream cheese. What we're going to do is merely stack these pieces of bacon, put the piece of meat just like that with the cream cheese, and then roll it up. Then the last thing we're going to do is stick two toothpicks in both sides, just like that. Then we have our finished crow popper. Alrighty guys, we have our toaster oven right here. We're just going to take a tray and put our crow popper right in the middle there, and then we're going to sit it in and then let it cook until it looks like it's about done. At 425. So now we're going to start onto our second piece of crow meat. Alrighty guys, while the crow popper is cooking in the toaster oven, I have a skillet right here, and I'm going to put some oil and turn it on high, and then we're going to cook the second part of our crow meat, and then we're just going to mix in a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's going to be it for this. This is pretty much straight up crow meat that I'm going to be eating here, and we're going to try it out. This is probably going to be done way before the toaster oven one is done, so yeah, I'm excited. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, we have our crow breast right here. This is the straight crow breast. So this I'm going to be getting the full potency of the meat. A little bit medium rare, but I think it's still alright and safe to eat. So I'm going to dig in right here, and then we're going to try this, and then the bacon wrapped popper, which hopefully will be a lot better than this. But we're going to get our first try of our crow. First bite going in. Wow. Okay. That is really, really good. Not even just saying that. I can eat a lot of meat, like compared to other people, but that is like, that tastes exactly like steak. I mean, I couldn't have made it any better than that. A bit chewy, but other than that, that is amazing. So now I'm really excited for the popper, because the popper is going to taste better than that, and that was really good. Well, guys, we have our crow popper here, as you can see. The bacon is curled around it. I had to take a little bit of the bacon off because it wasn't cooking fast enough. But now the meat is all cooked through, and we're going to try our crow popper. Well, guys, that was amazing. That crow was one of the best wild game meats I've had in probably ever, other than deer sticks. That's probably the only thing I can think of that would be better than that. That tastes exactly like steak. A little bit chewy on the chewy side, but I would cut it if you cut them in smaller portions. They're not bad at all. They just taste exactly like steak. Wonderful recipe. So simple, so easy to do. These crows are everywhere, so anywhere you are in the United States, you should be able to find crows with these techniques. But until next time, slay and obey, my friends. I'll see you on the flip side.